Welcome to part 27 of our basic electrical engineering series. In this video, we will explore the chemical effects of electric current and the fundamental principles of electrolysis. Let's look at the liquid behavior matrix. Substances can be insulators, conductors, or electrolytes. Electrolytes are defined by their ability to conduct electricity through the movement of charged ions. How does ionization work? When a solid crystal is placed in water, the high permittivity of water significantly reduces the attraction between atoms, allowing them to separate into freely drifting, charged ions. This is the closed-loop electrolysis model. It requires a DC voltage source. Electrons travel through the external wire, while current in the liquid is carried by moving ions, effectively converting electrical energy into chemical energy. The electrode matrix defines the two terminals, the anode and the cathode. The anode attracts negative ions and dissolves material into the solution, while the cathode attracts positive ions and facilitates material deposition. Electrolysis also involves a voltage tug-of-war. The external DC voltage must be high enough to overcome both the electrolyte's internal resistance and the back electromotive force generated by the chemical products coating the electrodes. Faraday's first law of electrolysis states that the mass of the element deposited is proportional to the total electric charge passed through the electrolyte, defined by the formula M equals ZIT. Faraday's second law explains what happens when the same current passes through different electrolytes. The mass deposited is directly proportional to the element's chemical equivalent weight. By synthesizing these laws, we arrive at the Faraday constant, which is approximately 96,500 coulombs. This allows us to use the master equation to calculate the mass deposited for any substance. Finally, a major industrial application is electroplating. By using a superior metal as the anode and an inferior metal as the cathode, we can provide essential corrosion protection for various industrial components.